Hello, sir. This is Lakshita in front of you, and I am from BSc second year, JH College student, and I want to become civil servant. And today we are here to do the conversation, and I know little bit about you. So that can you explain yourself in few words, like who are you?
Okay. Good morning to all of you. My name is Ajay Nagle. I am working in health department. So more than 10 years has passed since I have been working in health department.
What do you think about health department? Is it good job? Because in the COVID pandemic, what we see that most of the doctors were beaten by the public, by the people. So it is just ridiculous to listen such a news. So news is, so what do you think about such a news is?
So some people has done this type of nonsense thing. We can see that they are beating the doctors and some other staff who are working in health department. So it's not good because you can say here you can see that he is a doctor. He is not God that he could save each and every person's life. So definitely, if we talk about that, the doctor, so each and every patient is very important for doctor. And at the end time, we can say that doctor uh, mm, can help, yeah, can effort as much as he can. So he that doctor tries to save the life of a patient, but you know that he is also a doctor, is also a man. So only he can try, and definitely each and every doctor tries that he could save his patient life. So, but some people uh, think that the doctor didn't do their duty in good manner. We can say that. So they take some this type of a decision, and they quarrel with the doctors and some other staff which are involved in health department. So it's not good uh, for that people also. They are not doing well.
Yeah, I agree with
So
you.
here I yes.
Yeah. So that as you said that health department, they use their 100% to save the life of patient, but it is just a thing which cannot be controlled by the pupil. So that as you know that doctors has to work of till it means 24 into 7 hours. So that what do you think about it? There must be multiple doctors in every hospital, like as we know that in the private hospital or private hospital, what we see that there are less doctors, or in government in government hospital as well. So do you think that there must be multiple doctors for the shifts, like morning shift, evening shift, or that afternoon shift? Then the patients will get the enough facility, because in my areas that areas health center, what I see that there is only one doctor, and he came in the day from 12 to 4. So do you think that it is risky, it is risk to take the to give only one doctor to the?
So you said very well that if we talk about that the doctors availability, so the doctor is less in the department. So actually the doctor is less, and here we can see that a doctor is being doing work, is being done work in we can say that many hours. So he is doing for that work 12 hours. So this is the problem of doctor in the hospitals, and this is a situation of a government hospital. So the doctor is not in a permanent position. And we talk about that some small hospitals, and if we talk about that some villages or where the PSC is situated. So as you told that where you are leaving that place, only one doctor is doing his duty, and he is doing for their duty only 4 to 6 hours. So it's a problem. But what can government can do, because the availability of doctor is very less. Actually, government has
Sorry to
taken
interrupting. Yeah, you know that what is the ratio that one doctor for the 1000 patients, and this is the ratio of a report. And what I think that in the ratio, if we see, so that 50 to that 20 to 30,000 doctors were every year were passed the medical exams in medical colleges. So then after we see the ratio is very less, like a one doctor for 1000 patients. So what do you think, what is the reason behind it?
so according to the population, the availability of doctor is less. But you can see that doctor has completed their degree. To complete it takes 5 years. And here the problem is that the government, in my opinion, the government is not giving satisfied salary to that doctor. That's why what happens, doctor came for 1 or 2 year in a to do government job, but he don't find that the salary is not good, and that the doctor think that the career would not be well in this government job. So doctor quit, and they started doing their practice in private hospitals. And you must have seen that some doctors have opened their private hospitals also, because they know very well that for doing this job in a private hospital, so definitely they will get the more salary. And there would be the we can say that they can enhance their quality. They can which quality they have, they have they have ability to enhance their self in a private hospitals or private facility. So that's why the doctor are quitting the job, that government job. So that's why the problem is here in a government sector. And nowadays you can see that if we talk about that the private facility, so a person who is paying for their treatment, and definitely they are getting more facility compared to the government hospital, because a person who has money, definitely he want to be cured very soon, so that he can continue whatever he is doing in his life. So there is a problem. But nowadays you can see in government hospitals the infrastructure is increasing day by day. The facilities are being provided in a very good manner. So the facility is increasing day by day. You can compare before it to 15 to 20 years. The situation is not in a present.
Okay, sir, it was very nice conversation, nice talking to you.